Hello and welcome to the RMVideoChannel. Today we are going to be running a departure using Copilot from JAR Design, and the voice being used is Hazel.
Hello Cap. My name is Linda. I am your first officer today.
Copilot runs on Plane11 and 12 and on my favourite, the 737 Zibo. As you can see, there are lists on the screen of the various procedures, checklists and commands that you can use. You can give these commands by voice, or you can click on the item in the list. So we will be doing that during this flight. Electrical power-up procedure.
Electrical power-up procedure.
Copilot Hazel will be doing most of the talking during this video.
APU fire test. Waiting for start APU.
Also, I thank Eugenie at JAR Design for the use of their logo and Skymatrix for the Zibo MOD logo.
Electrical power-up procedure complete.
Seat belts on.
Seat belts on.
Preliminary pre-flight procedure.
Preliminary pre-flight procedure. Park brake set. Preliminary pre-flight procedure complete. Enter the data in the CDU.
Pre-flight procedure.
Pre-flight procedure. Please check that the flight level is set correctly. Please check that the landing altitude is set correctly.
Flight slow. Pull up. Wind shear. Wind shear. Wind shear. Terrain. Terrain. Pull up. Obstacle. Obstacle. Pull up. Airspeed low.
Pre-flight procedure complete. I'm ready for pre-flight checklist. Pre-flight checklist. Voice recorder.
Set on.
On. Oxygen.
Tested 100%.
Tested 100%. Navigation and display switches. Normal, auto. Window heat. On. Pressurization mode selector. Auto. Flight instruments. Heading 54. Altitude 391. Altimeter 1013. Parking brake.
Set.
Set. Engine start levers.
Cut off.
Cut off. Pre-flight checklist complete. Enter the missing data in the CDU.
Before start procedure.
Before start procedure. Before start procedure complete.
Before start checklist.
Before start checklist. Papers. Flight deck door. Closed and locked. Fuel. 4,814 kg on board. Pumps on. Passenger signs. On. Window.
Locked.
Locked. MCP. V2 is not set in MCDU. Before start checklist is not complete.
Not concerned for this demonstration. I also use better pushback for the tug.
Ground to cockpit. Plan acknowledged. Call me through the menu when you're ready. Ground to cockpit. Tow is driving up.
Engine start procedure.
Engine start procedure.
Okay, all doors
Waiting
and
for the
hatches are
command
closed,
to
ready to
start
connect.
sequence.
Tow connected and bypass pin inserted. Release parking brake. Starting pushback, and you may start engines.
Start number 1 engine.
Starting number 1 engine. N2. Starter cut out.
Start number 2 engine.
Starting number 2 engine.
Operation complete. Set parking brake.
25 N2.
Disconnecting tow. Stand by.
Ready for before taxi procedure. Starter cut out. Engine start procedure complete.
Tow is disconnected and bypass pin has been removed. Hand signal on the right. We'll see you next time and have a safe flight.
Before taxi procedure.
Before taxi procedure. Before taxi procedure complete. I am ready for before taxi checklist.
For some reason the Windows overheat can only be cancelled by switching off the window heaters. Before taxi checklist.
Before taxi checklist. Generators. On. Probe heat. On. Anti-ice. Wing anti-ice off. Engine anti-ice off. Isolation valve. Auto. Engine start switches. Continuous. Recall.
Checked.
Checked. Auto brake. Rejected takeoff. Engine start levers.
Idle detent.
Idle detent. Flight control. Flight controls is not checked. Before taxi checklist is not complete.
Not able to tie this in, unfortunately.
Taxi lights on. Horizontal stabilizer trimmer not set for takeoff.
Not going to worry about that on this flight. Before takeoff procedure.
Before takeoff procedure. Before takeoff procedure complete. Ready for before takeoff checklist.
So while we're waiting for clearance, we'll have a look at the Co-Pilot lists from the tabs. First go to your aircraft tab, then pull down the Co-Pilot. That brings down the lists of available options, and then the commands and procedures. You can deliver these by voice or by clicking on these items, or you can do it from the on-screen items. These are very comprehensive, and the whole Co-Pilot system is really useful. You can also set up the type of tasks that you wish the Co-Pilot to do. And you can use the voice that you wish Co-Pilot to use, depending on the voices you have set up in your system. Stansted traffic, KLM 447 lining up 22, Stansted traffic.
Ready for before takeoff checklist. Before takeoff checklist. Flaps. Flaps 5 set, green light, detent. Stabilizer trim is not set for takeoff position. Before takeoff checklist is not complete.
As you can hear, some of the words are not quite correct. Extensive traffic, KLM 447 taking off 22, extensive traffic.
Takeoff thrust set. $80 knots. Throttle hold. V1. Rotate. Stabilized. Positive rate. Acceleration altitude. Flaps upset. Approaching transition. Transition altitude. $1,000 to level off.
Seat belts off.
Seat belts off.
Now that we've reached our cruising altitude, I'd like to thank you for watching this video on RMVideoChannel. Please subscribe, and we will be making another one for the landing element using Copilot from JAR Design. See you again soon. Bye for now. Bye bye.